Putang ina. Pangatlo, basahin ko lang kasi baka makalimutan ko. During that time also, I was instructed to provide intelligence information for President Duterte's Oplan Double Barrel. Nandiyan si Chief PNP Bato, graduate ng Philippine Military Academy at napakadaming graduate ng Philippine National Police Academy, FBI Academy sa US. Ikaw ang inutusan ng presidente mag-lead sa intelligence information? Putang ina talaga, mapapamura ka talaga. Pangatlo, sometime in 2018, I was formally assigned by President Duterte to work for the Presidential Security Group. Masabi ko sa inyo, kahit pulis at sundalo ka, kahit graduate ka ng Philippine Military Academy at Philippine National Police Academy o Officer Candidate School, hindi ka agad makakapasok ng PSG kung hindi ka mag-VIP training sa PSG mismo.